Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag for February of 2024, as well as my Ipsy Glam Bag Boxycharm by Ipsy subscription that I still can't get right. And if you're wondering, yes, I have opened it up because you guys know when we get eyeshadow palettes, I'm like, hey, would you like to see me use the eyeshadow palette? Let me know, comment down below. And you guys are like, yeah. And then I never do it. Girl, I did it before I even filmed this video. You're welcome. It will be up soon. So look out for that. Also, I am in the process of a foundation review. Brand new Makeup Revolution Skin Silk. So that will be up as well. But yeah, let's get into the video because I'm so excited. So let's just go ahead and get the mystery out of the bag. I got the Ace Beauté Mystic Romance palette, which is the perfect palette for Valentine's Day, for February. I'm all about, it's Valentine's Day. We have to have pink makeup looks this month. You know the drill. So here's the palette. Here are the shades. Super gorge. I have swatched a couple on the back of my hand. Y'all just have to watch the video to get the tea, the full scoop. So like this video and subscribe so you can support me, so you guys can congratulate me for actually doing an eyeshadow video that I got in my subscription box. So claps for me, snaps. So we have this little guy here, Boxycharm. It's a self-love affair, and it talks about all kinds of different products that you could possibly get in here. I see a MAC mascara, a Grown Alchemist product. What else? I see Alicia Keys in here. I see a Violet Voss. I see Fenty. Wait. Oh, that's in the Ipsy shop. Oh, the Bobbi Brown foundation. I did not see that in the Ipsy shop when I was looking yesterday. Anyways, what else is in here? I have this big guy from In Beauty. This right, In Beauty Project. Yeah, okay. Gorgeous brand. Keep It Clean Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Stop it. You guys know I am a fiend when it comes to cleansers. I love a cleanser. They're my favorite thing to get in subscription boxes. I'm not super heavy with the skincare. I more prefer makeup in a subscription box. But if it's a cleanser, you have my heart. I love a cleanser. So it says, washes away makeup, dirt, and debris without stripping skin. Hydrate, smooth, strengthen. Infused with ceramides, 10 amino acids. And the vegan collagen. It's ophthalmologist tested, safe for eyes and contact lens wearers. I don't think I've ever read that on. Yeah, it has all the things on the side, but I'm so excited. I want to know what this cleanser looks like. This is actually a really good brand too, so I'm really excited. I'm pretty sure I got this brand in my icon box as well. So here is the cleanser. I'm stoked. The inside of the box is cute too. I am stoked. Also, I'm gonna be really sad if my camera dies in the middle of me filming this video because I have 2 bars. And I don't have a backup battery. I've never bought a backup battery. Can you believe that? Okay, next up we have from Malin and Goats. I swear to you, I don't know how many times I have been told how to pronounce this and I still cannot remember. But we have a recovery treatment oil. This sounds familiar and I feel like we've had this in the past. Yeah, almost positive I've gotten this in the past. Either in Ipsy or Boxycharm way back when. So it's a fast absorbing treatment formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which this is actually a really good product. I'm actually going to give this to my mother because she's in need of a product like this right now. So I'm gonna pass that on to my mother. She's gonna love me for it and I'm excited for her. My sister that doesn't live with me, she actually gets a lot of my skincare. Don't ask me why, but she does. I have my other sister who lives with me, who's a breast cancer survivor, and she has terminal leukemia. So she kind of doesn't put chemicals on her body and stuff because it's not recommended. So that's why I don't really give her any of my skincare, because she pretty much just uses lotion recommended by her doctor or whatever. But anyways, I have 2 more products. Here I have from the brand Tease. I've never heard of this brand. It's a Suit of Armor Battle Prep Eye Primer. This one I probably will also give to my niece because I pretty much use the same primer for my eyes, which is the MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. Sometimes I'll go in with Alter Ego, but other than that, I don't really use any other eye primers just because the MAC is like top tier, like let's be real. So I got this product, and then lastly I got from the brand Eloise, and it came in a bag. Probably a good thing because this is an Ultra Glow Lip Oil in the shade Ruby. So let me just show you what this looks like. Hopefully my dogs don't start barking because they be annoying, bro. Oh, this is actually a really pretty color. Again, I'm going to pass this on to my niece. She will love that. She's been into the like clean girl lip oil thing. Now on to the glam bag, which I've already pre-looked at because, you know, I felt like it. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and show you what I got, even though it's no longer a mystery. And I love the bag. It's giving popcorn shirt vibes. How cute. Lighting is still wonky. I apologize because I'm literally under my son's bed because Noelle moved in, and so like, you know, it's a whole thing. But we have baggage claim gold eye masks. If you know, you know. Because of the fact that this used to come in every subscription box in like 2018, 2019. Like everyone was getting this. Like FabFitFun, Boxycharm. I haven't seen these in forever. It's a little nostalgic. Yeah, go ahead and bark because I'm not filming. You guys are rude. Anyways, let's get into the bag because there's a product in here that's really exciting. Anyways, frame change. Okay, unless it didn't change. Let's get into what's in here because there's an exciting product in here, and I'll say that for last. We'll build the excitement. So we have a body lotion Wildflower Field from Memoir. I'm sorry about the brightness. Like, I have to figure out my lighting situation and my camera settings, which is like not fun. That actually smells really good. Love that. Then we have a brush, and it's really pretty. It's pink, and it's from Luna Magic, and it's just a really pretty brush that you can use for like highlighting, so that's nice to have. Then we have here a hydrating face primer from Ace Beauté. Okay. Lastly, we have from Rare Beauty, the Perfect Strokes mascara in black. I am so excited to try this out. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to dry out, but I am going to use this for sure very soon. Sorry about the lighting. That was the exciting product. Okay, so what are your thoughts? You guys let me know in the comments. Screenshot your choices for your Boxycharm by Ipsy and your icon box. Let me know what you guys are receiving. Send the photos, DM to Instagram so I can make a video talking about it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.